kunabantu oxabene nabo ngo-2024 basuke bahlangana nawe kambi bakufica udukile endleleni ubungaqondanga mos wena you are a good person kodwa basuke bakufica nawe usaxakaniswa ilendlela ohamba kuyo. Jesus is always doing something. Kona umuntu owamphendula kabe emsebenzini ngicela ukuxolisela namhlanje ungaqondanga wawuxakaniswe indlela ka2024 wasu inhliziyo yasinciphile yona inkule yakho kodwa ngalelo langa wakufica kambi ngoba asikwazi ukukujaja sithi umuntu omubi kanti umuntu ukufice ngosuku olubi. We have experience uhambe sibuza sasabuza noma ubani. Webazalwane bami ungakufuni ukuhlala uyokhonza esontweni as a religious act umoya ongcwele ungamuzwa bonke bemuzwa ngathi ungababuza ukuthi niphapha nenzani naze nane drama kanti uwe inetwork yakho. Some of the things we have delayed in this life it because sanqanyukelwa network yethu sangakwazi ukuzwa iphimbo lakhe ukuthi kusawuye nilothi asiqo. Jesus is always doing something. About to end 2024 and can I say it to you, isiqalo sakho sika 2024 was nothing compared to your ending of 2024 because God is gonna shift things up in the atmosphere. I hear myself as I hear in the spirit ngiyazizwa mina njengalokhu ngizwa kumoya.